The Honeywell Outdoor Portable Evaporative Air Cooler with remote control is perfect for large open rooms up to 342 square feet. This air cooler is ideal for locations with hot, dry climates where humidity levels are less than 60%. Double high-pressure blowers produce vigorous, long airflow for long spaces, auto-close shutters help keep out dust, and jumbo honeycomb cooling media allows for optimum cooling with a continuous water supply connection for longer cooling. The massive 70-liter tank comes with a low water alarm, as this air cooler uses water evaporation to reduce temperatures and keep you cool with its moist and cool breeze, and can be controlled with the included remote control. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.